This is cabinet lock BF305. Okay. How to set password? Number 1 admin, number 2 is user. First admin, number 1, okay. When you see this red, keep default password 123, okay. Once you see this green, now you set your new password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is your admin. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can open. Okay. Another password. You cannot open. Okay. Now, if you want to set your user number 2, okay, your default password 1, 2, 3. When you see this green, now you set your new password for user. Okay. When you see this green, it's successful. Okay. Check. Now we have 3 password, which is 1, 2, 3. It's default password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 admin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 user. Okay. And their password. This cannot open. Okay. And